Closing a business is never easy, especially when you're dealing with outstanding debts. If you're considering dissolving an S corporation with financial obligations, it's crucial to understand the proper steps to ensure a legal and orderly closure. Dissolving an S Corp involves several key steps. First, you'll need to obtain shareholder approval. Most states require a majority or even a supermajority vote from shareholders to proceed with dissolution. Once approved, you must file articles of dissolution with your state's Secretary of State office. This document officially notifies the state of your intent to close the business. Before distributing any remaining assets to shareholders, all corporate debts must be addressed. This is a critical point in the dissolution process. You'll need to notify creditors of your intent to dissolve and set a deadline for them to assert any claims. If the company's debts exceed its assets, you may need to liquidate company property to satisfy these obligations. It's important to note that while S Corp generally provide limited liability protection, there are situations where shareholders or officers could be personally liable for debts. This is particularly true if they've provided personal guarantees on loans or engaged in fraudulent activity. If your S Corp cannot fully pay its debts, you may face legal consequences. Creditors might sue the corporation or place liens on corporate assets. In some cases, filing for bankruptcy may be necessary to settle debts through court proceedings. When it comes to taxes, there are several requirements to fulfill before dissolution. You must file a final Form 1120-S with the IRS and provide Schedule K-1 forms to all shareholders. Many states also require a tax clearance certificate proving that all state tax obligations have been met. This includes settling any outstanding payroll taxes, sales taxes, and other state-specific tax requirements. Don't forget to notify employees, government agencies, and business partners about the dissolution. Provide proper notice to employees regarding layoffs and fulfill all final wage obligations. Inform the IRS, state tax authorities, and any relevant licensing boards to avoid ongoing tax and compliance issues. Also, notify business partners and vendors to terminate any ongoing contracts or agreements. In conclusion, dissolving an S Corp with debt requires careful attention to legal compliance, debt resolution, and tax obligations. By following these steps and seeking professional advice when needed, you can navigate the dissolution process properly and minimize potential legal and financial complications. Remember, the key is to address all debts and obligations before closing your business to ensure a smooth and lawful dissolution.